In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of updating Notepad++ on your Windows computer. Before we proceed with the update, it's important to safeguard your work. If you have any ongoing projects or unsaved files, I recommend backing them up first. However, there's actually a better way to ensure you don't lose your workspace during the update process. Let me show you how to enable session autosaving in Notepad++. First, navigate to Settings, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the Backup tab. You'll see an option that says Remember Current Session for next launch. Make sure this box is checked. If you want additional protection, you can also enable this Enable Session Snapshot and Periodic Backup. Once you've made these selections, click Close to save your settings. With this configured, Notepad++ will automatically reopen all your files after the update finishes, so you won't have to worry about losing your workspace. Now let's move on to the actual update process. Once Notepad++ opens, make sure you have an active internet connection, as the update process requires downloading files from the server. So, take a moment to look at the menu bar located at the top of the application window. On the far right side of this menu bar, you'll notice a question mark icon positioned just after the window menu option. So, go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Update Notepad++. It should be clearly visible in the list. The application will now check for available updates by connecting to the server. If an update is available, you'll see a dialog box appear with a message indicating that an update package is ready for download. The message will ask whether you want to download it. So, click Yes to proceed with downloading the update files. The download process will begin, and depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download completes, you'll see another dialog box from Windows User Account Control asking for permission. Click Yes to allow the application to make changes to your device. The first screen you'll see is the Installer Language dialog. Your language should already be selected. In most cases, it will be English. So, simply click OK to proceed. The installation wizard will guide you through several steps. So, click Next on this welcome screen. You'll then see the license agreement. Click Agree to accept the terms. Continue clicking Next through the subsequent screens, which may include selecting the installation location and components. When you reach the final screen, you'll see an Install button. So, click on it to begin the installation process. The installer will now update Notepad++ with the latest version. Once the installation completes, click Finish to close the installer. Notepad++ will now be updated to the latest version with all the newest features and improvements. Thanks to the Session Autosave feature we configured earlier, all your previously open files should restore automatically. Thank you for following along with this tutorial.